Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Consumer Cellular flip phone. First, open the flip phone and insert the SIM card and battery if needed. Then press and hold the power button until the screen lights up. Next, open the flip phone to make a call. Use the keypad to dial the phone number, then press the call or send button, usually green, to initiate the call. After that, press the end or power button, usually red, to hang up. When the phone rings, flip it open and press the call or send button to answer. Now press the end or power button to hang up after your call. To send a message, open the menu and select Messages. Then choose Create New Message, enter the recipient's number or select from contacts, and use the keypad to type your message using multi-tap letters. After that, press Send. To read messages, go to Messages and select Inbox. Open and read any received text, and then reply by selecting Reply. To manage contacts, open Contacts or Phone Book from the menu. First, choose Add New Contact, enter the name and number and save, then edit or delete contacts as needed. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.